Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, everyone. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at my Stefano pictures and Gia pictures as well, because I love these characters. So first one, we have this first version right here. It's actually the best one yet. I'm not going to play. This next one here, it's nice. It's cute. Oh, so cute face. It's just on the... yeah. Okay, next up. Oh, this nice. Oh, yeah, I love that one. And then this one is like a best of Brucey. Best of Bruce. I don't do it for you. Don't. Right? That's what. Here's why. Because I open it up and look at this. Hey, what else is there? Oh yeah, this face. I love that face. It's a good one. No, there's a jaguar. Oh yeah, that. You see that right there? I have a Luigi Davis from Don Martin punches ahead. And then let's see. Oh my god, some of the stuff you see there and okay. Next up. This is about Gia. Okay. Now this one is a cute one. I just haven't. There's that face. You're about to see some funniness that just look at that. He's just having the best time of his life. You know, I think the best time of their life is basically from when he's up on a coaster. That face. What is up? Okay. I was getting tricked. What the fuck? How about yeah? Yeah, it's like getting the best of the luck. I'm skipping some. Okay, here we go. Oh, oh, that's brilliant. I bet I can draw like that. I don't remember really drawing it. Geek. There's that one. There's that boobsy one. There's this one. Oh, look at that. There's so many of those stuff. Yeah, it's amazing. There's that one. I'm seeing that one, so I'm not going to complain. There's this. I love this one. And that. You see that face. It's like... It's a fraud? That's it. I'm gonna go ahead and just skip like a few because I don't want to get into the funny side. I'll get to the good side. Oh yeah, that's the Barbie one. Plus, I have a very funny one to show you. It's like at the end. It's like the Caillou, the cops. Okay, so just. So, let me get out my, oops, let's get, oh wow, I see it, but now I'm gonna go ahead and go to this stuff. We're gonna go, let's see, He did. Oh yeah, here we are. Just like this. Right? This. This. Bye-bye. Neat.
That's it, guys. Go to your room. No dessert. You're grounded.
That was so lovely.